Right, for our last section of our 1A notes is just talking about simplifying algebraic expressions. You can do a number of different things that you have done in the past, and this is just a quick review. Sometimes you combine like terms, and sometimes you can use some of these properties that you probably remember from your past. Read over them, look at them, refamiliarize yourself with the vocabulary. I'm going to do two examples from your notes just to kind of refresh you. The idea of combining like terms means that when you look at the variables in particular, that if they have the same variable and exponent, they are like, and you can combine them. So in this case, I have two terms that have x squared components. I have 5x squared and negative 8x squared. So I would look at the coefficients then and add or subtract the coefficients and leave the same x squared component. So in this case, it would be 5 subtract 8 would be negative 3x squared. Okay? And then I also have another terms that are like. I have an x, a linear term. So I have negative 10 here and positive 1. So it would be negative 10 plus 1 is going to give me negative 9, and the x remains. So this is as much as you can simplify this example right here. Okay. Our example number 2 you have to do things before you combine like terms. With the parentheses here, you need to distribute through first. So in this case, distributing this negative through, I get negative m plus negative n. Distributing my 2, I'm going to get 2m, and then 2 times negative 3n will give me negative 6n. Now, I can look and see if I have like terms, and I do. I have some m terms, a negative 1 and a 2, which would just give me m. And then I have an n term as well. I have a positive 1 and a negative 6. Oops, I made a mistake there. See? You can make mistakes distributing your negative. Negative m, negative n. That should be a negative sign right there. That's why we use pencils. Okay, so negative 1 and negative 6 give me negative 7n. Okay, for these remainder problems, take a look at them, work them through, see if you come up with these answers. Okay, good luck.